Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Hi, friends. We are happy you are here to practice English with us today.
Today's lesson is simple and very useful.
Yes, today we will practice English with daily questions and simple answers.
This lesson is perfect for A1 beginners. We will speak slowly. We will use easy words.
You can listen, you can repeat, you can answer with us.
Before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe to practice English every day. Leo, how are you?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine. I am happy today. Now you answer. How are you? Good job. Other simple answers. I am tired. I am okay. I am great. I am not bad. Repeat. I am fine. I am good. Excellent.
Leo, what is your name?
My name is Emma. What is your name?
My name is Leo. Now you answer. My name is... Very good.
Leo, where are you from?
I am from Canada.
I am from Australia. Now you say. I am from... Great practice. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. Now, your turn. I wake up at... Good.
In the morning, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I eat breakfast.
In the morning, I drink coffee, I check my phone, I go to work. Now answer with simple sentences. In the morning, I... Very nice. Repeat this pattern. I wake up, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast. Simple English is good English. Emma, what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I eat fruit.
I eat rice and vegetables.
Now you answer. I eat for breakfast. Good job. My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is noodles.
Now you. My favorite food is... Great. What do you do?
I am a teacher. I teach English. I am an office worker. Now answer. I am a... Or, I am a student. Very good.
Yes, I like my job. It is interesting.
Yes, I do. I like my job. Or you can say, no, I don't. It is difficult. Practice both. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Excellent.
In my free time, I watch TV. I read books.
In my free time, I play football. I listen to music. Now you answer. In my free time, I... Good.
Yes, I do. I like watching movies.
No, I don't. I like reading books.
Yes, I do. No, I don't. Great practice. At night, I eat dinner. I relax. I sleep at 10 p.m.
At night, I watch YouTube. Then I go to bed. Now you answer. At night, I... Good job.
Hi, Leo. How are you?
I am good. How about you?
I am fine. What do you do?
I am a student. What about you?
I am a teacher. See? Very simple, very clear, very real. You can speak like this every day. Today we practiced daily questions. How are you? What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you eat? What do you do in your free time? These questions are very common in everyday English. If you practice these every day, your speaking will improve.
Now we want to hear from you. Answer in the comments. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? What do you do in your free time? Practice writing and speaking.
Remember, English is easy when you practice every day.
Don't worry about mistakes, just speak.
Small answers are okay.
Simple sentences are powerful.
See you next time. Keep practicing. Bye, everyone.